So audits is something that I love to do, and I'm going to show you an example of a tax return in a minute that made me fall off my chair laughing, and I want to see if anybody can figure it out. All right. With that being said, let me tell you a little bit about what I want to talk about today. About a month ago, I was perusing my iPhone, looking for free games to download, right? Everybody does that. And I saw this free app, TurboTax, for free. Did you see it? You can take a picture of your W-2 and it will prepare the return. What? Get out, right? I mean, the same thing. I'm like, this is ridiculous. But what's going to happen to our industry? So I was reading an article in CPA Trends Lines, and that same question came up. What's going to happen to the tax preparer industry with so many apps doing so much of the work? And they have different views. And I was a little bit worried, but then I realized that, like I just told you, the tax code is not written for the W-2 employee. So if all you have is a W-2, you can get a free application to do it. But what I wanted to show you, and what really struck me, is the complexity of the tax code, right? So if it's that simple to take a picture of your W-2 and get your return done, then anybody can do it. This is the actual IRS tax code right here. Here you go. Right? I don't know if you can incorporate all that in a scan and fill document. It's 2 volumes long. This one's actually a little old. This has nothing to do with the ARRA that Obama signed into law, anything like that. Those are all amendments. So if you've ever had the chance to look at the IRS tax code, or you haven't, you can take a look at it. It's really simple to follow. If you have a question,
you can take a heavy megapixel picture though, and that clears it right up.
Yeah, you're right. That makes it all better. Just boom. I look at the tax code every once in a while when I have a question, and it'll say something like a dependent is so-and-so, C-section, so-and-so for the definition of a dependent. And you go there and it says C-section, and by the time you're done, your eyes are rolling in the back of your head. Very complex, the IRS tax code. It will never be simple. They would love to simplify it, but that's not the case. But that's why you have professionals. If you have a tax return with any kind of complexity, then you need somebody who understands at least how to get the answers out of the tax code. I often thought about the fact that you also listen to these commercials nowadays, and you have people who say, go to H&R Block, we'll do your tax return for free, or come on in and we can show you mistakes that are missed. Those, we call them 6-week wonders in our industry. Right? They go to a little summer course and then they think they're ready for taxes, and they can do the very simple return. But complex returns can't be done by most of those individuals. So I feel is really the preparer that does the deeper tax returns are going to be elevated in the industry. At least that's the hope.